Guys, today we are going to talk whether this bull run is actually starting to roll over and have we hit the peak here. I'm going to talk about what needs to happen in order for us to continue this bull run to the upside. I'm also going to talk about Ethereum. I'm going to talk about traditional markets. We're going to talk about meme coins and much more. So welcome back everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. Let's talk about Bitcoin here. And what you can see here is that since hitting the orange box all the way up here at 63,643, we have been going down. So this proved to be too much of a resistance and we have started to roll over. We have gone down, and I asked you yesterday on Twitter as we were approaching my orange box, do you think that the orange box will save Bitcoin? Well, it seems like most people believed that yes, the orange box was going to hold up the price, and yes, it did. You can see that we came just shy of the orange box and now we are finding support here. So this is good for Bitcoin. The orange box is still doing its job. As you know, the orange boxes usually big resistance and big support, as you can see here. But the thing is this bull run over? I don't think so, but there's a couple of things we need to pay attention to here. The first thing is that after finding support here, we are very clearly struggling with getting above the orange line at 59,200. Okay, so we need to get above this orange line sooner rather than later. Also, if you zoom out, we have actually printed a lower low here. So that's not good from a technical standpoint. There's a couple of things pointing towards some bearish price action for Bitcoin right now. I'm not going to lie. And the head and shoulders formation we were talking about yesterday, yes, it did break down. This is actually a bearish sign as well. So how can I, still say that I'm bullish on Bitcoin considering all of these things? Well, just like I said, we have the orange box here at 57,500, and this is not usually how you see Bitcoin top out. If you look at every single indicator during the previous cycles, this is not how we topped out. So there's a lot of indicators on the higher time frames pointing towards that rally towards the next couple of months and weeks. So this is still my thesis. I still believe we are going to see that rally because every single indicator, just like I said, we have been talking about here recently, is still telling us that. So this is a little bit of a correction along the way. Nothing to worry about in my opinion for as long as these levels hold. But we do need to see us very quickly here break through the $59,300 level. We need to reclaim this area and we need to continue our bullish momentum to the upside. If we don't do that, if we just continue to chug along here, well, if we break down from the $57,600 level, well, it's looking likely that we are then going to go down and meet the next orange box, which is at 51,163. As always, guys, I am going to keep you updated, but that is basically the situation right now. We need to break through the orange line at 59,300 sooner rather than later in order for the bullish momentum to continue here and for us to continue to the upside, of course, to keep that momentum ongoing and have that big rally towards the later parts of this year. Also, one thing to note is that Plan B's prediction of October closing above $63,000. So in order for Plan B's prediction to become, true, we need to see a rally actually above the orange box here within the next 48 hours. So that's going to be interesting to see. Hey, do you think that we are going to see a big rally and for Plan B's prediction to become reality? Do you think we are going to see us break the orange box within the next 48 hours? Let me know down in the comment section. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm of course referring to this one right here, where he was able to nail all of these targets so far. August, $47,000 at least $47,000. And then September, $43,000. And is he going to nail this? October, over $63,000. We will see, guys. I will keep you updated. And guys, if you want to claim a nice bonus, you got $4,530 over on Bybit if you use this link right here. $200. I need to change this. But $1,200 over on Femex, $2,040 over on C-Trade. So make sure to claim these bonuses. You got them down in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's talk about Ethereum. And Ethereum went down below the orange line here at $4,000, and we struggled to break through it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, but now we're seeing a green candle above it. So this is good for Ethereum. One thing that's not as good is that the support trend line we have been relying on here recently, it actually broke down as well. So we are below, it tried to support us right here, but it didn't manage to do so. So that's unfortunate for Ethereum. Keep an eye on this. The support and resistance levels, you already know about them. You got one here at $4,000, of course. Support at 3,680, and then the big resistance at 4,360, 4,456, and then we will take it from there. One thing to pay attention to here as well is traditional markets. It printed an all-time high a couple of days ago. Now it's going sideways a bit. So traditional markets still looking pretty good. And this is, of course, also good for Bitcoin and crypto in general. Meme coins are flying off. And, I talked about Shiba, I talked about Floki. I mean, when I talked about Floki, this was like when it was like down here somewhere in August. And now, I mean, the chart speaks for itself. It's done completely insane gains here for everyone who got in here. And what I said is that even though, meme coins are what they are, I'm not investing into too many meme coins myself. But I understand that, when retail investors flood into the markets, well, meme coins are going to be one of the things they are going to be buying up. I mean, there's no denying that. We have seen it times and times again with Dogecoin, with Shiba now, and with Floki. I mean, this is just how it goes. So you shouldn't, disregard meme coins entirely just because they are meme coins, because you're still able to make a lot of money on them, just like, Shiba has showed us, and Dogecoin showed us previously, and also Floki Inu, of course. It's completely ridiculous. It's insane. I have no idea why people are actually buying these things. I mean, this is now breaking into the top 10, so completely insane. But I just wanted to let you know that, like, don't disregard stuff just because you feel it's stupid, because even stupid things can pump extremely hard. And sometimes the stupid people are the ones making money. So you should always keep that on the back of your head. These things can pump really hard, depending on certain circumstances, of course. I think this is extremely shorted right now, though. I looked at Binance, and the funding right now is like minus 0.1%, meaning that a lot of people are shorting Shiba Inu right now. So that's really interesting. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.